All right, this is IXL 8th grade P.6. And it says graph the image of point C, which is located at -3, 6, after a translation 3 units to the right. So most people are going to come in here, they're going to go to point C, and they're going to translate, which means to slide 3 units to the right. So they're going to go 1, 2, 3, and then they're going to say this is point C prime. And that is all you have to do. Another method is that since you're going 3 units to the right, that means that we're going to add 3 to the x value, which would be right here, plus 3. And that gives us a location of 0, 6. And so if you look at that, if you start at the origin, that first 0 says do not go left or right, stay right in the middle. And the 6 says go 6 places up. And that puts us in the same location. So that is 2 different methods to solve that particular problem. All right, next problem. Graph the image B, which is at -8, 0 after translation is 3 units down. So we're going to go 3 units down. All right, so it's at -8, 0. So we're going to go 1, 2, 3. B prime. The other way would be down is going to affect your y value because y controls all the up and down movement. So it would be -3 right here. It doesn't want us to do anything left and right, so -8 would just remain -8. 0 minus 3 is -3. And that is another method to get B prime. And if we look, that is indeed the location -8, -3. Okay, now we're going to do 2 things. We're going to go 7 to the left and 3 units up from the original location of 8, 1. So starting right here at 8, 1, 7 units left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then 3 units up, 1, 2, 3. It's going to put us right here at S prime. The alternate way would be 7 units left. That's going to be your x value because it controls horizontal movement left and right. Left is a minus, so it's going to be x minus 7. And 3 units up is plus. If you go up, that's positive, so you're adding to it. Just like on a thermometer, the numbers at the top are positive, the numbers way down low are negative. And so that's going to affect your y value, and you're going to do plus, I don't know why I put an equal in there, excuse me. So you're going to do y plus 3, meaning you're going to go up 3. So, plus 3. And so S prime would be located at 1, 4. Well, let's look at where we're at. Start at the origin, 1 place to the right, 4 places up. There is S prime, 1, 4. Okay, 5 to the right, 1 unit up. 5 to the right, and 1 unit up from -9, -10. Ooh, way down here. 5 to the right, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 1 place up. So that's right there. And so 5 to the right would be x plus 5. 1 up would be y plus 1. To the right, it's positive, just like a number line. The positive number's on the right, and then we talked about up being positive. So plus 5, plus 1, -9 plus 5 is -4, -10 plus 1 is -9. And so if we look, start at the origin, we go -4, 1, 2, 3, 4. And we come down to -9, and that puts us right there on K prime. That is it. All right, let's skip forward a little. All right, 2 units right, 5 down, 2 to the right, and 5 down. We're just gonna do that one letter at a time. 2 to the right, and 5 down. All right, let me get my mouse over here. Oh, keep losing. I have 3 screens going, so bear with me for a second here. All right. So 2 to the right, 1, 2, and 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click. All right. Now I'm going to go to point B, and I'm going to do the same thing. So 2 to the right, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click. I'm going to go to C. 1, 2 to the right, 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm going to go to point D. 1, 2 to the right, 5 down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Click. And we have now translated that trapezoid. All right, everything's just going to move 5 to the right. So I'll start with H. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Going to G. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can kind of speed this one up because we know it has 90-degree corners. That makes it a little easier. All right, I'm going to skip forward 1 level. Challenge zone here. So they want us to graph that by moving 5 left and 8 up. 5 left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And we'll go to N. 1, 2, 3. Oops, hold on, sorry. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then 8 places up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right. K. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2. Ooh, hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then I'm going up. There we go. And then I've got L. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'm trying to stay in line here. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, there it is. That one was tough with the mouse. And that's pretty much it. Just have more like that.